Hello, this is Don Watkins, Community Moderator with OpenSource.com with this week's Top 5. At number 5, getting started with TensorFlow Surgery Classifier with TensorBoard DataViz. Adam Monson is the Vice President of Engineering at CSAS, where he leads all hardware and software efforts to assess and improve healthcare professionals. This is part 2 of a series. In this article, he trains with a new data set, introduces the TensorBoard suite of data visualization tools to make it easier to understand, debug, and optimize TensorFlow code. At number 4, mining cryptocurrency with Raspberry Pi and storage. Are you looking for a way to monetize your Raspberry Pi? This article is for you. David Eggets of Red Hat is always looking for ways to map hot technologies to fun, educational classroom use. You will be fascinated with his ideas for mining cryptocurrencies. At number 3, build a game framework with Python using the Pygame module. Are you interested in game development with Python? The first part of this series explored Python by creating a simple dice game. Now it's time to make your own game from scratch. Seth Kenlin of Red Hat will have you developing your own game after you read this excellent article. At number 2, 6 open source home automation tools. The Internet of Things isn't just a buzzword, it's a rapidly expanding reality. OpenSource.com editor Jason Baker explores 6 new open source home automation technologies. Are you thinking about using an open source home automation system? Or perhaps you already have one in place. What advice would you have to a newcomer to home automation, and what system or systems would you recommend? And at number 1, getting started with Notepad QQ Linux text editor. Community moderator Scott Nesbitt uses open source software even when using Microsoft Windows. Long an admirer of Notepad++, Scott was looking for its equivalent on Linux. Notepad QQ is the application he is hoping for. His excellent review might give you reason to try Notepad QQ yourself. And an honorable mention this week, win a 1-year subscription to O'Reilly Safari. Enter by this Sunday at 11:59 Eastern Time for a chance to win a year of access to thousands of technology and business ebooks, videos, live online trainings, and real-time support from the experts. Well, that's it for this time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.